In today's video, you'll learn how to connect QuickBooks to PayPal so your transactions can sync automatically and your bookkeeping becomes much easier to manage. Linking PayPal with QuickBooks helps you keep all your financial activity in one place. Instead of entering transactions manually, your sales, fees, and expenses can be imported automatically, which saves time and reduces mistakes. Before getting started, make sure you have active accounts on both platforms. Sign into your PayPal account if you already have one, or create a new account by following the setup steps. Then log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're inside QuickBooks, open the Apps or Integrations section. Use the search bar to look for PayPal integrations. You'll see different options that allow PayPal data to sync with QuickBooks. Select a suitable integration and open its details page. Review the features and then choose the option to install or connect the app. After that, you'll be asked to sign into your PayPal account and give permission for QuickBooks to access your transaction data. Follow the on-screen steps until the connection is complete. After the setup is finished, QuickBooks will begin importing your PayPal activity automatically. This includes payments received, transaction fees, and other related details. Having everything synced makes it easier to track income and prepare accurate financial reports. Another way to connect the two services is by using automation tools that link apps together. These tools allow you to create workflows that automatically send PayPal transactions into QuickBooks without manual work. Once everything is connected, your records will stay up to date and you'll have a clearer picture of your finances. And that's how you connect QuickBooks to PayPal. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.